In Georgia medical malpractice cases, the duty owed by a doctor to a patient was once determined by looking to standards in the medical profession rather than the judgment of individual medical experts. This rule prevented an injured party from proving a breach of duty by contrasting how their doctor acted with how another expert has acted in similar situations. Doctors in Georgia liked this rule, and things were all peaches and cream until Condra versus Atlanta Orthopaedic Group was decided. Daphyne Condra felt like the pits, suffering pain in her back, arm, and neck. Condra met with Doctor James Chappuis, an orthopedist whom we'll refer to as the doctor. The doctor prescribed Condra an initial 30-day supply of an anticonvulsant drug, followed by a second 30-day supply. Soon after Condra began the second round, she was admitted to the hospital and diagnosed with an unusual bone marrow disease. Condra filed a medical malpractice suit against the doctor and his medical group, alleging that the doctor negligently prescribed unsuitable medication and failed to conduct blood count monitoring to screen for adverse drug reactions. Before trial, Condra deposed one of the doctor's medical experts. The expert admitted to offering blood count monitoring in his own practice to patients taking the same medication. In response, the doctor filed a motion to prevent Condra from using this personal experience testimony at trial. The trial court granted the motion and excluded the evidence. At trial, Condra's medical experts testified that the drug had caused Condra's disease and could have been prevented with advanced lab work and periodic follow-up testing. In contrast, the doctor's experts testified that testing wasn't critical or mandated and that the doctor's omission of that step wasn't a breach of duty. Although the doctor's experts conceded that blood count monitoring was both reasonable and recommended by medical literature, they indicated that testing probably wouldn't have caught Condra's disease early enough to make a difference. The judge returned a verdict for the doctor. Condra appealed, and the Court of Appeals affirmed the trial court's decision. Condra then appealed to the Georgia Supreme Court, which granted cert.